How to make Aviator Predictor bot in Telegram. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now if you want to go ahead and use Aviator Predictor bot and you want to integrate it to your Telegram, this is the right video for you. First things first, you want to go ahead and search for the Aviator Predictor GitHub. From here, you specifically want to open this website from GitHub. You will now be taken to this page where you can see all of the Aviator Predictor bot. You can just go ahead and scroll down and you specifically want to look for this application right here, which is from the Aviator bot. Once inside, if you scroll down, you can then go ahead and see the Get Bot option. You can just go ahead and click on Get Bot and you will be taken to the Telegram page right here. So from there, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on Get Started. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.